Hey guys, today I want to show you what I've been enjoying for breakfast lately. I'm all about quick, nutritious, and slightly sweet meals in the morning. To make this recipe, you'll need half a cup of Greek yogurt or your favorite vegan alternative. Next, add half a teaspoon of matcha powder. If you like things a little sweeter, feel free to add 2 teaspoons of your preferred sweetener. I personally use erythritol. Give it a good whisk to ensure that the matcha is properly incorporated. For the finishing touch, add fresh berries on top. If you don't have fresh berries, frozen ones work just as well. Finally, sprinkle some almond flakes on top and voila, your breakfast is ready. I hope you enjoy this delicious and easy to make breakfast recipe as much as I do. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.